Vienna's hidden gems discover the secret side of Austria's capital. Vienna. Austria's capital is a city steeped in history, culture, and breathtaking architecture. From the grandeur of Schönbrunn Palace to the iconic St. Stephen's Cathedral, it's no surprise that millions of visitors flock here each year to explore its famous landmarks. But beyond the well-known attractions lies a side of Vienna that many travelers never see, a world of hidden gems, secret locations, and lesser-known spots that reveal the city's true character. Most guidebooks focus on the same must-visit destinations, offering a picture-perfect version of Vienna. However, this carefully curated image often leaves out some of the most fascinating parts of the city. Tiny alleyway cafes, hidden courtyards, and historic sites that only locals seem to know about. These secret places offer an entirely different perspective, one that showcases Vienna's charm beyond the tourist hotspots. Why? Hidden gems matter. There's something special about discovering a place that isn't crowded with tourists. While locations like the Vienna State Opera and the Hofburg Palace certainly deserve their fame, the true essence of the city is often found in the unexpected corners. Hidden gems tell stories of the past, reflect local traditions, and provide an authentic experience far from the usual crowds. Many of these places remain undiscovered because they aren't heavily advertised. Whether it's an old workshop still producing handcrafted goods or a tucked-away garden perfect for a quiet escape, these locations offer unique experiences that turn an ordinary visit into an unforgettable journey. Must-see hidden gems in Vienna. First, Augarten Porcelain Factory, a legacy of craftsmanship. Since 1718, the Augarten Porcelain Factory has been producing some of the finest handcrafted porcelain in Europe. Despite its incredible history and artistry, it remains overshadowed by Vienna's more famous museums. A visit here offers a rare chance to witness skilled artisans at work, creating delicate pieces using centuries-old techniques. 2. Setagaya Art Museum, a touch of Japan in Austria. Tucked away in a quiet corner of the city, the Setagaya Art Museum is a true hidden treasure. Featuring a stunning collection of Japanese art and cultural artifacts, it provides a fascinating contrast to Vienna's classical influences. This small but impressive museum offers a peaceful escape, transporting visitors into a different artistic world. Dritter Kunstkammer, Vienna, ein Museum der Kuriositäten. For those with a love for the unusual, the Kunstkammer is one of the most intriguing places in Vienna. This collection of rare and bizarre artifacts includes everything from taxidermy creatures to centuries-old mechanical wonders. It's a museum dedicated to curiosity itself, offering an experience unlike any other. 4. The Secret Gardens of Vienna, a hidden natural oasis. While the city is known for its grand parks, several hidden gardens remain unknown to most visitors. Some are tucked behind unmarked gates, while others require navigating narrow pathways to access. These green spaces offer a serene retreat from the hustle and bustle, perfect for those seeking a quiet moment in nature. 5. The Museums Quartier, more than just museums. Once an imperial stable, the Museums Quartier has been transformed into one of the most dynamic cultural spaces in Vienna. While its museums attract visitors, the real magic happens in the open-air courtyards, where locals gather to enjoy art, music, and late-night conversations. On warm evenings, the space comes alive with outdoor performances, creating an atmosphere that blends history with modern creativity. Why these places shouldn't be missed? These hidden gems may not have the same level of fame as Vienna's top attractions, but they hold just as much, if not more, cultural and historical significance. Unlike crowded landmarks, these secret locations allow for a deeper connection to the city, offering a more personal and immersive experience. Exploring beyond the well-known sites not only provides an opportunity to see Vienna in a new light, but also supports local businesses, artists, and artisans who help keep the city's traditions alive. Whether it's an ancient porcelain workshop, a small museum, or an overlooked park, each of these places adds a unique piece to the larger story of Vienna. Unlocking the secrets of Vienna. For those willing to venture off the beaten path, Vienna has endless surprises waiting to be discovered. The city's hidden gems offer a journey into the unexpected, places that don't always make it onto travel itineraries, but leave a lasting impression on those who find them. Which secret spot in Vienna deserves a place on this list? Share thoughts in the comments below. For more unique travel experiences and hidden city secrets, be sure to subscribe. There's always another adventure just waiting to be uncovered.